Today, we're making one of my husband's favorite meals, kimchi fried rice. It's a great meal for when you want to unwind at the end of the day. My husband Victor lived in Japan for a while, and I love that I can make him Asian food because it's his favorite.
Do you want water?
Yes, please. Thank you. This meal's really simple. It's just a few ingredients put together in one wok. Some chopped onions, an egg, couple-day-old brown rice mixed with gluten-free soy sauce or tamari. Today, we will also add organic bok choy and some organic chicken. The bok choy is a seasonal winter vegetable, and it comes from close to Fresno and Kingsburg. For me, that is a local vegetable. And we'll also be adding kimchi and folding that in at the end of the recipe. Just serve it up and dish it hot. It's a great, well-balanced meal. And so, cheers.
Cheers.
And cheers with our
chopsticks, can you do that?
Yes.